Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hafsu here back with another video. So my sister and I were getting bored तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना हम रेड वेलवेट केक try करें. So this recipe is not the exact authentic recipe because we used the cake box जो instant cake mix आता है. We used this. This was from Cake Shake. We didn't know much about this company, but some imtiaz guy and we picked this cake box instant mix, and we read the instructions at the back of the box and we started making the cake. This was really easy because इसमें हमें सिर्फ oil, milk and eggs शामिल करने थे and we were good to go. यहाँ पे we were mixing the eggs and milk का जो mixture हमने बनाया था with the powder with the instant mix. This was really easy because हमने maximum 5 मिनट में इसका बैटर तैयार कर लिया था and then we kept it in the preheated oven. यहाँ पर we were mixing the batter and then we poured it into the container. This was heat safe and we kept it into the oven. After like 10 to 15 minutes it started rising and it looked really yummy, and then we started preparing the frosting. Frosting के लिए हमने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया. We just took the cream का एक packet and then we added some sugar and then we whipped it, and after that we poured it on this cake. The cake came out really well. और उसके बाद हमने we covered the cake with the cream and some crumbs. जो cake था उसी के हमने crumbs थोड़े से we took out some crumbs from the cake and we sprinkled it on the cake. So this is how it turned out. I hope you liked my video. Until next time, bye bye.